Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix an error occurred applying the software update in macOS Big Sur. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, if your Mac is on, first turn off your Mac completely, then press and hold the power key on your Mac until you see the startup option. Double click on option. You will now see the Apple logo on the screen. Wait for it to load completely. Next, you might be prompted to enter a password such as firmware password or administrator password. In the macOS Utilities window, open Disk Utility and select your main startup drive. After that, click Raise in the menu and confirm your action. Now go back to macOS Utilities window, select Reinstall macOS, then click Continue. Tap Continue again when the installer window appears. Agree to the software terms and condition, then select your hard drive. Click on Install button, then complete the installation process. That's it. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.